Today I'm making Peanuts food that I've been making him for a while. It's lean ground beef, 93.7, 7% fat. And then I drain out the rest of the fat. I cook it on this pan, and then I'll take paper towels to absorb the rest of the fat. And then I add his carrots, peas, blueberries, brown rice, apple cider vinegar, parsley, turmeric, ginger. The ground beef is cooked. The oil is out. Now I'm going to put this mixture in. I also added an egg. So I'm going to pour that in. All the seasonings are in there. Like I said, I put turmeric, ginger, parsley, 1 egg, his brown rice, about 1/4 cup of blueberries, and the Honest Kitchen bone broth, and a little Parmesan cheese. And this lasts me about 4 days with them. Then I'll put it in the food processor. And this is the finished product. There's everything in it. And then I'll let it cool off, and then I put it in the food processor. And I said for him, for 3 meals a day, it lasts for about 4 days.